one more theorem. One more theorem we will see, that is angle bisector theorem. And the last point of the lesson is similar triangles. Okay, those are all the points we have to learn in this lesson. Now, a simple activity that is given in your textbook, that here you can see one that is given here. Draw a simple experiment that girl is doing to verify the property of the angles of a triangle. Now, what she is doing here? Madam,
Hello.
madam, my screen is visible again.
Yes.
Okay. Any measure on a thick paper. You also can do this experiment. Take a thick card sheet paper and draw any triangle on it. Okay. Take a point T on okay, on that part. Then what you have to do? Cut two pieces of thick paper which will exactly fit the corner of angle P and angle Q. Okay. Cut the two pieces from the cardboard, and that will be the shape of exactly the shape of angle P and the shape of angle Q. Right? That two cut pieces. Now take these two cut pieces and try to fit it at the corner of angle PRT. Now, where is the angle PRT? This PRT means here you can see will see there that those two pieces get exactly fitted to this position. That means what you will say by this simple experiment, that so if we add these two angles, that will be equal with the angle. Okay. Now what those yes, I just told, I'm repeating it again. Now, when you fitted these two angles, the pieces of these two angles, they fitted. Okay. Now, what it means, we will see here in the next slide. Now, see here, here the angle, triangle ABC is extended and a point mentioned here D. Okay, now the three angles inside the angle B, angle A, and angle C. Inside the triangle, those are called as interior angles, as those are within the triangle. So those are called as interior. Okay, and if we draw an angle like that, due to extension of a segment, the angle form outside that it is related with this triangle. Okay, then it is called as exterior angle, means the angle outside the triangle. Okay, due to the extension of any one side. So here that is a exterior angle. You can also draw more exterior angles. If you will extend this side, then that will be another exterior angle. This side, that will be next exterior angle. Likewise, okay, those all are the exterior angles of the given triangle. Okay, now this interior, this exterior angle. So those are called as remote interior angle. Okay. So the property for it just we verified in this simple activity that the sum of these two angles, that is equal to this exterior angle. Okay. So this exterior angle, that is angle BCD, equal to angle BAC, means angle A plus angle ABC, that means angle B. So in short, I wrote here that angle C, this is the exterior angle. Okay, angle C, this one, equal to angle A plus angle B. So this is the property and we have to prove it. Okay, so the first theorem of this lesson that is given here, theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Which are the remote interior angles? These remote interior angles, that is angle B and angle A. These are the remote interior angles. Okay. Now keep it in mind, this property. Now we will prove this theorem. Theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Now let's see the theorem for it. The same diagram is here. Okay. Triangle PQR is given here. Triangle PQR. Okay. So angle P and angle Q, those are remote interior angles. And this angle PRS, this angle is exterior angle. Okay. And just before we saw that angle P plus angle Q equal to angle R, this angle exterior R angle. Okay. Now we are going to prove this. Now the statement is here. The measure of an exterior angle, okay, means this angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. So remote interior angles are those two angles, right? So given that is angle PRS is an exterior angle of a triangle PQR. See here, angle PRS, that is the exterior angle of given triangle PQR. Right? Now we have to prove that this R angle, exterior angle, equal to these two remote interior angles. Now here is we have to prove this one. Measurement of angle PRS equal to measurement of angle PQR, means Q angle, plus measurement of angle QPR, that means P angle. ये थ्री लेबल नेम में जो मिडल में वर्टेक्स होता है, that is the angle. Okay, so angle Q and angle P, single label name. Okay, so now see the steps for the proof. We know the property and we also proved it in second lesson that the sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. ट्रायंगल के तीनों एंगल की टोटल जो होती है सम कितनी होती है 180 डिग्री. We learn that property. By using this property, here we can write angle PQR, okay, measurement of angle PQR plus measurement of angle QPR plus measurement of angle PRQ. These are the three angles of given triangle. Together measure 180 degree. Okay, mark it as equation 1. Right?